Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Clarabella filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Shadows to 50. Whites to -12. And blacks to -10. Next, go to Color. Temperature to 20. Tint to 26. Vibrance to 45. And saturation to -16. Next, go to Color Mix. For yellow, hue to -65. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -50. For green, saturation to -100. And luminance to 100. For aqua, hue to -25. For blue, saturation to -57. And luminance to -20. And last, go to Effects. Clarity to 10. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.